Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heavy-duty wire cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Grenero Wire Cutters Heavy-Duty 8-inch. This mini bolt cutter is geared towards light to medium-duty tasks, offering a maximum cutting capacity of 2.3 millimeters. Built with high-quality CRV material, it boasts impressive durability and wear resistance, ensuring the blade doesn't easily break or deform. The tricolor, ergonomic PP plus TPR handle is designed for comfort and control, making it a pleasure to use during extended sessions. The labor-saving lever design further enhances cutting efficiency, requiring less effort from the user. When it comes to performance, the Grenero excels at cutting fine bolts, wires, and cables, making it a great companion for home renovation projects or maintenance tasks. However, its compact size limits its ability to tackle thicker materials, making it less versatile compared to other products on this list. Additionally, the ergonomic handle stands out for its comfort. But the plastic material might not appeal to those looking for a more premium grip. Overall, the Grenero wire cutters offer a solid option for hobbyists and light users who value portability and ease of use. On the downside, it may struggle with heavy-duty applications, and its lack of premium build quality makes it less ideal for professionals. If you're working on smaller tasks or crafting projects, this tool gets the job done efficiently. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Disson wire cutters heavy-duty cutting up to 3/16 of an inch. This tool is built from 50 CR alloy structural steel, giving it an impressive hardness rating of HRC 58 to 63. It's designed to tackle thicker materials such as aluminum and copper cables up to 3/16 of an inch, and stainless steel wires up to 5/32 of an inch. The sharp manganese steel blades make precise and clean cuts without causing abrasion to the material, making it perfect for applications like fencing and fish line cutting. One standout feature is the safety lock design, which prevents accidental opening and ensures safe storage. The ergonomic non-slip mat handle, combined with the spring-loaded mechanism, allows for smooth, one-handed operation, reducing fatigue during use. Disson goes the extra mile by including 6 aluminum wire rope sleeves for crimping, adding value for users who need to secure cables after cutting. While the Disson wire cutters are excellent for heavy-duty tasks, they might feel a bit bulky for smaller jobs. Additionally, the safety lock, while useful, can sometimes be finicky to operate. This tool is ideal for professionals working with fences, thick wires, or bike cables, and the lifetime warranty adds peace of mind. However, it's slightly less versatile compared to higher-ranked options that offer broader functionality. At rank number 3, we have the Tooleague 10 inches cable cutter. This professional-grade tool is forged from chrome vanadium steel, delivering exceptional hardness and toughness. Its high-leverage design ensures smooth, precise cutting, allowing you to slice through 4/0 aluminum, 2/0 copper, and 100 pairs of 24 AWG communication cables effortlessly. The PVC-dipped, non-slip handle provides a stable grip and adds comfort during extended use. The Tooleague cable cutter stands out for its industrial-grade construction, making it a reliable choice for demanding tasks. Whether you're working with communication cables or heavy-duty wiring, this cutter delivers consistent performance. However, it's important to note that the PVC handle is not insulated, so it shouldn't be used for cutting live wires. The one-handed cutting action is particularly impressive, reducing hand and wrist fatigue during repetitive tasks. Overall, the Tooleague cable cutter is a strong contender for users who need a high-performing tool for professional applications. Its durable construction and ergonomic design make it worth considering, though the lack of insulation and slightly heavier weight might deter DIY enthusiasts. Professionals working in telecom or industrial settings will appreciate its precision and reliability. Taking the second spot is the WorkPro Mini Bolt Cutter 8-inch. This compact yet powerful tool is made from durable drop-forged alloy steel, heat-treated for strength, and capable of cutting through materials up to 2.3 millimeters thick. Its classic leverage design and precisely aligned blades maximize cutting power while minimizing effort. The spring-loaded mechanism and built-in handle lock add convenience for storage and transport. The ergonomic PP plus TPR rubber handles are comfortable and provide a secure grip, making this cutter a pleasure to use for extended periods. Its portable size is perfect for fitting into tool bags, making it an excellent choice for electricians and home users alike. However, while it shines in versatility for cutting wires, cables, and thin bolts, it's not recommended for cutting locks or heavy-duty materials, which slightly limits its application. All in all, the WorkPro Mini Bolt Cutter is ideal for users seeking a lightweight, portable, and powerful tool for residential or light commercial use. Its user-friendly design and affordability make it a great value proposition, though professionals may need a more robust option for heavy-duty tasks. And finally, at rank number 1, we have the WorkPro 7-inch diagonal pliers. This tool strikes the perfect balance between design, performance, and durability. Made from 50 CRV steel with heat-treated cutting edges, it ensures higher hardness and toughness for cutting wires quickly and effectively. The transparent electrophoretic coating protects against corrosion and rust, adding longevity to its lifespan. The bi-material ergonomic handle provides an anti-slip grip and maximum comfort, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its compact size and lightweight design make it portable and easy to maneuver, ideal for tasks ranging from electrical work to home repairs. With a cutting capacity of 7 inches, this tool is versatile enough to handle a wide variety of applications without compromising precision. Overall, the WorkPro 7-inch diagonal pliers earns the top spot for its exceptional build quality and ease of use. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, everyday wire cutter. The only drawback is its limited cutting width compared to larger tools, but for most users, this won't be an issue. Whether you're an electrician or a hobbyist, this tool is a fantastic choice for its unbeatable performance and value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.